Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be unboxing the TopBox for April 2020. If you are unfamiliar with TopBox, TopBox is a beauty Canadian subscription box that sends out 4 deluxe size products every month for $15. They are available only in Canada and they provide free shipping across the country. And if you are interested in signing up, I will leave a link in the description below and you can check that out. Since this is a Canadian beauty subscription, all the prices mentioned in this video will be in Canadian dollars. The box arrived in a black box like this with the word TopBox on the top. When I open up the box, the first item I see is a purple card with a message on the back. The card says, "Hey beautiful, your TopBox is here. We hope you enjoy this month's box. We are diving right into spring with our must-have beauty products of the season. Each box is carefully selected for you by our beauty team and curated especially for you." The first item in the box is this Urban Decay All Night Face Primer for $45. This is a smoothing and hydrating face primer that grips foundation into place and supports its staying power, so your look will last all day. It reduces the looks of fine line and leaves your skin feeling slightly lifted. I really like that this comes with a pump. I personally love most of Urban Decay's product. I use their eyeshadow primer, their eye pencil, some of their eyeshadows, and their setting sprays. I find their products tend to be very long lasting, which is one of the reasons why I enjoy using their products. However, I don't think I will be opening up this primer anytime soon, as I do have a lot of other primers to use up right now. With everything that's happening around the world right now and being quarantined at home, I don't think I need my makeup to last all day. This item alone did pay for the box, considering it is $45 on the Sephora website. The next item we have is this travel size Purlisse Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant for $20 US on the Purlisse website. So this turns out to be $27.80 Canadian. This mask claims to improve the textures and tightness of your skin in just 10 minutes. To be honest, I usually don't spend my money on clay mask or mask that requires you to wipe off, as it does get pretty messy over the sink. I personally like sheet mask because it is more convenient. Some of the key ingredients to highlight in this mask is the Blue Lotus extract, which is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. It also has white clay that tightens your skin and purifies pores. It contains bamboo, which improves your skin textures, and ginger, which helps detoxify. And it also has mushroom extract to help brighten your skin tone, and white tea that soothes the skin. The last ingredient is the rice bran water, which will help improve your skin texture. It does seem like there is a lot of good ingredients in this mask, and I look forward to giving it a try since I'm going to be staying at home a lot more and I have a lot more time to take care of my face. The third item we have is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask for $20 US on the Yensa website, which converts to $27.80 Canadian. Some of the key ingredients to highlight in this mask is the pumpkin, which brightens up your skin. The turmeric will help soothe the skin, and ginger to help even out your skin tone. It contains papaya to help with discoloration, and the grapefruit will help brighten up your skin. I know that turmeric has a lot of health benefits, and I've heard a lot of great reviews on this mask, so I will definitely give it a try. So how you would use this mask is to smooth a thin layer onto clean, damp skin, relax and leave for 5 to 10 minutes, gently massage in circular motion with warm water for 30 seconds, and then rinse clean. You can use this 3 to 4 times a week, which is good to know. I usually use a mask 2 times a week, but now since I have this and the instruction says you can use 3 to 4 times, if I feel like my skin needs a little bit more care, I will definitely put this on. The last item we have here, which I think is fragile, that is why it is wrapped up in a bubble wrap. So after unwrapping the bubble wrap, it looks like a nail polish. This is the Morgan Taylor nail polish in Orange You Glad. I couldn't find the exact price for this nail polish online, but I did go to the Sally Beauty website, and the average price range for the Morgan Taylor nail polish is around $7 to $9. So I priced it at approximately $7. It seems like a more orangey red color, which isn't my favorite color. I may give this a try to see how I like it before I judge it any further. To summarize, this box cost $15 with free shipping. The first item we have was the Urban Decay All Night Face Primer for $45, the Purlisse Mud Mask and Exfoliant for $27.80, the Pumpkin Turmeric Polishing Mask for $27.80, and the nail polish for $7. The total value of this box is $107.60. I definitely don't mind receiving this primer. This is an item that I was going to purchase down the road anyways. I'm not sure how I feel about receiving 2 masks in the box. These are 2 items that I would not purchase myself. They are pretty expensive, so I am happy to give it a try. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this box and what's your favorite item. If you do have a TopBox subscription, I'm also curious to know what other items you've received in the box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.